Sack up in our drawers. Real shit, do or die, we gon' risk it all. Driving like a stolen cat, we gon' bust the law. I'm a little day, and I'm about them all. Rob who, take what, huh? Bust them all. This real shit, do or die, he won't catch them all. Trigger happy, catch him lacking, he won't get one off. Pack of wolves, gotta feed him, but I'm the biggest dog, got a Big Mac.
Alright, what's up, y'all? Smoke Flavor 392. We got a banger for y'all today. We got a video. Today's video gonna be on a product from our newest sponsor, which I'm gonna reveal that to y'all now. Newest sponsor, shout out to Windbooster. He sent me a Windbooster GT. This particular one is for the Charger Challenger 300 platform, and today we're gonna be testing it on this Dodge Charger 5.7 Pursuit. We're gonna get some pulls in it. I'll show you how to install it first. But we're gonna get some pulls, get a reaction, and you feel me? We're gonna chop it up like that. This is my dude 33 Stepper. Follow him on Instagram. I'm gonna put the IG handle down at the bottom left corner for y'all so y'all can shoot him and follow. This shit crazy loud. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to hook this up. This shit is super simple, super easy. We're gonna unbox it first. The car a little dirty, but you know. Windbooster GT, this is your actual module. That's gonna plug into your wires. So then with your wires, you got the one plug that's going into your pedal. This plug's going into your cord that the pedal, that was in the pedal. And then this end is gonna plug into your module. All you gotta do to put it in, you're gonna rip this little kick plate down, and then you gotta take it all the way off. Just pull it down, and then the clip you want is right there, that little black one. So you gotta get up in here and unclip that. Then you're gonna take this part, and it's gonna go right up where you just took this from. I don't know if y'all can see. It's a hard angle too. Right there, I think I got it. You can see it up top. You'll drop it down right there like that. Cause I'm doing something. And then you're gonna take the cord that came out of your pedal, which is this one, and you're gonna click it in there like that, and you all set. So then you want to take this part and uncoil it. I'm gonna just set it off to the side real quick. You grab your wind booster. So then we're gonna start the car up, and then we're gonna take it around the block, and we're gonna go over all the modes it got on it. So we got the wind booster. Shit. Where the thing at? Alright, so I'm gonna start him off in valet, which you in valet, so you ain't gonna be able to snatch for real, but can you feel how heavy your pedal is?
I can't snatch at all.
Alright, so when you get to the stop sign, bust this left, and we're gonna throw you on eco mode. So just drive regularly like you just driving. You can feel the difference in the pedal. Yeah. Feel heavier. Yeah. Alright.
I feel the eco.
You feel the eco, feel how sluggish it is. Alright, now stop. Alright, so we're gonna throw him in normal. I just take off slow on the normal.
I feel every difference though, no cap.
You feel me? And this with it on normal, so We're gonna hit this stop sign and we're gonna drop him down in the sport. Go ahead.
That bitch crazy, that motherfucker crazy, bro.
And that's the sport.
Sport take off so crazy, bro.
Alright. We did. I'ma throw him in race mode. So we in race now.
Sport's so crazy, I ain't gonna lie.
That shit hit different.
race
This
probably
race
hit
mode about
different.
to go hit.
Oh shit. That motherfucker crazy. That's sport. That's race.
It's race. That's race mode.
It don't feel like I can drag my shit. It feel like really race though. That's crazy as fuck.
Alright, now we about to throw him in drag mode. This the final mode, drag mode.
That's really drag. That's
Sheesh. That shit
Nice.
crazy.
I'm only touching 70, bro.
Tapping the gas too though.
I'm only touching 70, bro.
And that's in drag. And these ain't like the pedal commanders. These ain't gonna throw no code up
And
in
my
your
air
car.
on.
And his air on. Let's not forget that. His AC is on and his car is still pulling.
Don't run over here.
So we gonna run drag with no AC on.
Zero to 60 back to 3 seconds.
Quick 0 to 60. That shit crazy. So there it go. That's the Windbooster. That's all the features that come with it. See how it's snatching in the 5.7. So
5.7 though.
get hit,
Go get
Windbooster.
one, for
Go
sure.
grab one. We're gonna end it like that.
We gon' risk it all. Driving